drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave.
Good morning, everyone. We are in Jeddah this morning for the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix. So it's Saturday, and luckily for us, it is an evening race. So we have all the day to just go and explore the city. So as you can tell, I'm dressed from now for the race because obviously no one really knows what goes on with the traffic. So I'm not sure when I'll be back or if I'll have time to change. It's like 10 a.m. I'm meeting a couple of my friends here in Jeddah for breakfast. I don't know, my brain is so slow. I just woke up actually. So let me show you what I'm wearing. This is the outfit, and I'm wearing obviously my red nails. Guess it's the team I'm supporting. So my nails is Ferrari red, and my lip is HBIC from Fenty. So that is what we're wearing for breakfast and possibly the race. Well, not possibly, this is what I'm wearing for the race. I'm leaving at 10. I don't know when I'm gonna come back because I also want to go to the hotel and say hi to a few people. So, and the hotel is near the racetrack. So anyways, I'll be in the vicinity, so I'll just go directly there. Anyways, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go back to my camp. It's like a homey vibe. It's not bad at all. I'm very early, so I'm trying to kill time. Let's see. It's not bad. You guys, remember the last time I was here, I was showing you guys that they have like the male section and the female section? It's gone. I'm telling you, a lot is changing in Saudi now. So yeah, I guess everyone just sits anywhere they want to sit now. Look at that. Look at that. But at least I captured it before it happened, so you can see the before and the after. That development is really happening. People are changing their views on a lot of things. But yeah, it was very interesting. I was like, hold up. There was a sign. Es no mas. But anyways, we're here now in Kamforreall. I'm early. I'm waiting for Christian. He says he's on his way. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna order something to drink and wait for him until he gets here. It is hot in Jeddah. I forgot the humidity. But yeah, we're gonna have an amazing day. Starting with Kamforreall. Oh, by the way, I used to live over here. There. Yeah, and then we would come to Kamforreall for breakfast in the mornings. Well, like 3 mornings, truthfully, but it was 3 mornings that made me say, okay, I kind of like this place. But anyways, let's get this started. Am I? Let me see.
little bit gimmick, not too much gimmick. It's average.
It's average. It's average. I mean, we've had better days, but it's okay. It's okay.
So what is this?
It's my camera for my vlogging. How was breakfast? Oh my god, it's so hot. Yeah, no. Are we going on? Should we sit inside?
Hi, I'm at Kayal. Hello? Hello? Aywa. Ana Kayal. Ito come? You coming?
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. We're at the Jeddah edition and it's my first time in 1 year and I'm seeing everything fully furnished. Super exciting, very beautiful property, and it's only a stone throw away from the Jeddah Saudi Arabian Grand Prix, which we're going later on today. My cameraman is doing
Mr.
the
Bean.
So yeah.
I have a new job now. That's giving.
This is decaf? Y'all, this is the car for Charles Leclerc right here. How beautiful. It's a Ferrari, a red one. How on brand. Fans be like. So I know you guys can see me, but you definitely can hear me. So the thing is, now I have to walk 36 minutes to go to the racetrack. You know, it's actually very crazy. I've only been to Abu Dhabi, and just the way and the ease to access the site is just on another level. Like, I've never had this experience before. I'm literally on a world tour just trying to get, you know, where to go. But anyways, that's what's happening. Had to. Ooh, it's hot. But anyways, did a little damage. And now we have around 2 hours until qualies. So we're beating some time. Let's try to find some water. Oh, beautiful. Yay! Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, no. Gotta stay hydrated. It is hot up in this piece. Ah, the good old days.
hour or so. And air temperature, however, still 29 degrees, 58% humidity. The lights come on. 3, 4, 5.
He's out. Yikes.
Unfortunately, he's okay. He's already told the team, but participation from Lando Norris. Here he is. This is what happened riding on board with him, and just gets up on the curb there and off to the left and into the wall. So that's the end of his qualifying. Got very squirrely as he went through whichever turn.
Discussion as a September world champion that it's taking time to adapt to the various.
Both.
You don't need ID. Because you
Don't have one. Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Welcome to Jeddah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
See you.
Huh? Shop. What?
So guys, we are currently somewhere on the coast of Jeddah and it's snorkeling time. Truthfully, I'm not much of a swimmer, so I'm a little bit like skeptical, but they say it's shallow and they have life jackets and the floaties. So we're gonna see how great the water is feeling. Wish me all the luck. I really don't know. I'm out here doing very much Caucasian activities. Right.
It's really shallow.
Okay, let's go. It's called Heart of the Sea. All right. Oh, whoa. The girl's going in. What's happening? Is it deep? No, it doesn't look deep. Yeah, it's not real bad. Oh God, it's cold.
It's nice. It's real refreshing.
Guys.
Do you want a life jacket? Hey? You can stand, but boss? You have a life jacket. Just back yourself. Just jump straight in. I swear to God you can stand. If I'm lying, I'll come in and rescue with the camera.
Wait, let me put my hair up. We out here. Yo, it's actually fun, huh? Too much. Here you guys go, you know, we went to the Maldives of Jeddah just to vibe a little bit. I handed you a person who asked for matcha from the stall this morning.
That was me.
My neighbors look like that.
The fans. So, first time racing in Jeddah with Ferrari.
Charles and I, we ended up going to the Red Sea. Not together, but I got to see the Red Sea. I went scuba diving in the ocean. It's beautiful. So it was great to see another side of Saudi.
Okay, and what about racing?
Look, boy! Guys, welcome to day 2. Well, day 3 technically, but day 2 for us since we only came yesterday. Off the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix. We're about to start, well, the final race. It's about to start in an hour. So we're trying to get everything together. I just realized that I've been vlogging all day, but I've never spoken to the camera. So I need to let you know what's happening. Yes, I'm looking rough. We had a very early morning and we were in the snorkeling and stuff. So this is the best I could come up with, but look at my shirt, how cool. It's a limited edition Saudi Arabian. So anyways, y'all, if you don't hear back from me by the end of the vlog, thank you for tuning in and I'll see you in the next one. But if you do, just act like you never saw this. You know, but it's been an amazing weekend. It's like a bucket list being ticked. And also, Nicole did a very good job with the snorkeling. It was actually a vibe.
Need travel plans? Contact me.
Oh, ready? Anyways, y'all, see you when I see you.
was fantastic. It's a little bit confusing from the outside that the piece wasn't there quali, but your respeed was incredibly strong.